everybody, thanks for joining me for today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can add a giving page or add a giving plugin onto a current page. So a lot of our pre-designed templates already have a giving page that's pre-designed. All you have to do is just add the page. So suppose you don't have a giving page already and you want to add that. You can go ahead to this pages and then add new. We can name this page giving. Then we can use the Divi Builder so that we can actually see the changes that we're making. So we'll click this Use the Divi Builder, and then we'll use the Visual Builder. So here you can see it's just a blank layout. There's nothing on here, but if we want to use one of those pre-designed templates that's already been created, we can click the dot down here in the purple section and this plus sign that'll load from library. And this is where you can see all of the saved template layouts that we have for you. And so this specific template is Potter's Hand, so we can make sure we're in Potter's Hand, and then we can select the Give page. And then that's going to create that page for us so we can just go in and change the content. So we can get rid of this one that was created, and we've got our giving page. So here we have Support the Ministry of Celebration Church. If we want to go in here and edit this text that's just filler text right now, you can either directly edit it by clicking it and, clicking from there, or you can hover over to see the module settings and you can edit in there. So let's say we want to get rid of this filler text. We want to write about how you can give in person or give online. Click the button below to give online. So now we're going to need to create a button so that our users can actually give online. So let's say we want to get rid of this. We don't want the bulleted points anymore. So we can add our giving button. So what you'll need to do this is you'll need the secure link for your giving provider. So a lot of our different providers, if we have EFT, PushPay, PayPal, Tithely, Planning Center, there are a lot to choose from. Each of them is going to have a different way that you can embed your secure giving link onto your website. So some of them will have a secure giving link, some of them will have an embed code. So depending on what your provider is or the option that you have, this might vary. But let's say we have EFT, they usually have a secure giving link. So we can go ahead and we can add a button. So we're going to do the gray module. We're going to add a button. This button text is what's going to be actually in the button. So we'll say give online. And then this link is where we're going to have where the button's going to go. So if you have that secure link, maybe it's securegive.com/celebrationchurch. We can say if we want it to open in the same window or if we want it to open in a new tab, we can save that, and then we can publish and save that whole page. So we've got our giving page on here. So let's say we want to add it to our top navigation. So we really want our users to know where this giving page is. So we go back to our dashboard. We're going to go to Appearance and then Menus. So see that page is right here. We'll select it, Add to Menu, scroll down, and then we can add it where we want. So let's say we want it after the contact. We'll click Save. And then we can go back to Fred's Church and see that it'll be up here on our top nav. So if we click here, we'll bring it to that page that we just created. And there's that Ways to Give and our button. So you can add a button on any page that you want. So if you don't want to use the pre-built template, you can just add the button onto any page with that secure giving link. But that's how you can add a giving page to your website. Let us know if you have any questions.